Hello everyone, welcome back to class 7 mathematics, chapter 11 perimeter and area. Today I am going to discuss the conversion of units and the application questions of perimeter and area, exercise 11.4, question number 1 to 4. First we can see the conversion of units. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, that you know. So to get 1 millimeter equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. 1 centimeter square equal to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. Instead of 1 centimeter, we can substitute 10 millimeter because 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter, which gives 100 millimeter square. So to get 1 millimeter square equal to 1 upon 100 centimeter square. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter square equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, which gives 10,000 centimeter square. Therefore, 1 centimeter square equal to 1 upon 10,000 meter square. Similarly, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, 1 kilometer square equal to 10 lakh meter square. 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. Therefore, 1 meter square equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. 1000 centimeter square equal to 1 lakh millimeter square. Now we can solve. Try these questions of page number 225. Convert the following. 50 centimeter square in millimeter square. We know that 1 centimeter square equal to 100 millimeter square. Here we have to convert 50 centimeter square. Therefore 50 centimeter square equal to 50 multiplied by 100 millimeter square, which gives 5000 millimeter square. Next question, 2 hectare in meter square. As we know that 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. Therefore, 2 hectare equal to 2 into 10,000, which gives 20,000 meter square. Now we move to third question of try this. 10 meter square in centimeter square. As we have 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Therefore, 10 meter square equal to 10 multiplied by 10,000 centimeter square, which is equal to 1 lakh centimeter square. Next, 1000 centimeter square in meter square. Here we have to convert the smaller unit into bigger unit. So you have to divide it. As we have 1 centimeter square equal to 1 upon 10,000 meter square. Therefore, 1000 centimeter square equal to 1000 multiplied by 1 upon 10,000 meter square. Zeros cancelled. 3 zeros from numerator and denominator cancelled. We get 1 upon 10 meter square. Or we can write it as 0.1 meter square. So 1 centimeter square equal to 0.1 meter square. Next, we move to exercise 11.4, question number 1. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of path. Also find area of the garden in hectare. See here, a garden 90 meter long. This is the garden, A, B, C, D, be the garden, which is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide built outside. This is 5 meter path. So throughout it will be 5 meter only. Runs around and outside the garden. Children, so we are getting another rectangle PQRS. They are asking area of path. That means we can find area of this shaded portion. Okay, how to get the area of this shaded portion? Yes, from the bigger rectangle, area of bigger rectangle minus area of smaller rectangle, we will get the area of the shaded portion. Yes, correct. But we know the length and breadth of inner rectangle, small rectangle only. How to get the length and breadth of outer rectangle? See here, it is given in the question, 5 meter wide path is built outside the road. So whenever it is given outside, you have to add. To get the length and breadth, you can add 5 meter. Here 5 meter is there. To get the length, here you have to add 5 meter. Here you have to add 5 meter. Similarly, here also you have to add 5 meter. So total 5 plus 5, 10 meter you have to add. To get the breadth, you have to add here 5 meter. Similarly, here also 5 meter. So total 10 meter you have to add it. So outside the path means you have to add. And if the road is built inside the garden or something inside is given, then you have to subtract from the given length and breadth. Is it clear? Now we can move to the question and we can write how to solve. Let ABCD represents a rectangular garden and the shaded region represents the path 5 meter wide. So for rectangular garden ABCD, length equal to 90 meter, breadth equal to 75 meter. Then what we have to find? We have to find the area. Area equal to length into breadth. 90 multiplied by 75, which gives 6750 meters square. Now we can find the area of PQRS. For that, first we can find the length and breadth of PQRS. And in this question, we got the answer as meter square. They are asked the same answer in hectare also. As we know that 1 meter square equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. So 6,750 meter square equal to 6,750 upon 10,000 hectare. Here we have 4 zeros in the denominator. So in the numerator, from the right side, remove 4 digit and put the decimal point. So we get 0.675 hectare. Now they are asked to find area of the path. How to get area of the path? Yes, area of bigger rectangle minus area of smaller rectangle. Bigger rectangle is PQRS. So area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. To find area of path, first we have to find area of rectangle PQRS. For that, first we can find the length and breadth. Here length equal to, that is PQ, equal to 90 plus, that is length of inner rectangle, and I have shown both side we can add 5 meter because path is running around or path built around the garden. So 90 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 100 meter. The same way breadth equal to 75 plus 5 plus 5, which gives 85 meter. Now area equal to L into B, 100 into 85, which gives 8500 meter square. Now we can find area of path equal to area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. That is 8500 meter square minus 6750 meter square. While subtracting, we get 1750 meter square. This answer also we can find in hectares. 1 meter square equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. Now we move to question number 2. A 3-meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find area of the path. Here I have drawn um, a 3-meter wide path runs around and outside the rectangular park. So the rectangular park is ABCD and we have to find area of path, that is the area of shaded region we have to find. To find the area of shaded region, we can subtract area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. Let's solve the question. Here ABCD represents a rectangular park and the shaded region represents a path 3 meter wide. For rectangular park ABCD, length equal to 125 meter, breadth equal to 65 meter. Next, what we have to find? Yes, we have to find area of the rectangular park. What is the area? L into B. Now substitute the value 125 into 65, which gives 8125 meters square. Now we have to find area of outer rectangle PQRS. For that we have to find the length and breadth of PQRS. How to get the length and breadth of PQRS? Yes, from the length of AB you have to add 6, 3 meter wide. So 3 meter will be here, also you have to add, here also you have to add. In the case of breadth, breadth is 65, so to get the breadth of PQRS you have to add 3 from here, 3 from here, so total 6 meter you have to add. Why we have to add? Because the path runs outside, that is why we have to add it. Area of path equal to area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. For rectangle PQRS, length equal to 125 plus 3 plus 3, which gives 131 meter. Breadth equal to 65 plus 3 plus 3, which gives 71 meter. Area equal to length into breadth, that is 131 multiplied by 71, which gives 9301 meter square. Now area of path equal to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle, that is 9301 meter square minus 8125 meter square, which is equal to 1176 meter square, which is the area of the path. Now we move to question number 3. A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 5 cm wide, such that there is a margin of 1.5 cm along each of its sides. Find total area of the margin. See, this PQRS represents a cardboard. We are drawing the picture inside the cardboard and we are leaving a margin. The width of margin is 1.5 centimeter. The shaded portion represents the margin. ABCD represents the picture to be painted. The cardboard is PQRS and the length of breadth of cardboard is given. So to get the length and breadth of ABCD, we have to subtract 1.5 centimeter plus 1.5 centimeter from both sides. Here is 1.5 centimeter, here also 1.5 centimeter. So 3 centimeter we have to subtract from length and breadth to obtain the length and breadth of the picture to be painted. Clear? Because here we have to find area of inner rectangle ABCD whose length and breadth we don't know. The rectangle is inside. So to get the length and breadth, you have to subtract the width of the margin. Here you have to subtract 3 cm from length and breadth. Now let's solve. Let PQRS represents a rectangular cardboard and shaded region represents the margin of 1.5 cm wide, and rectangle ABCD is the painted picture, represents the painted picture. So for rectangular cardboard PQRS, length equal to 8 cm, breadth equal to 5 cm. Yes, next what we have to find? We have to find the area. What is the formula of area of rectangle? L into B. So you have to substitute the value. We get 8 into 5 equal to 40 centimeters square. Next what we have to find? We have to find area of ABCD. Area of margin equal to, how to obtain area of margin? Yes, from the bigger rectangle, area of bigger rectangle minus area of smaller rectangle. Here area of margin equal to area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. Here area of rectangle PQRS we found. Now we have to find area of rectangle ABCD. For the picture, rectangular picture ABCD, length equal to 8 minus 1.5 plus 1.5. That is 8 minus 3, which gives 5 centimeter. Why we are subtracting here? Yes, this rectangle is inside the bigger rectangle, and we know the length and breadth of outside rectangle. So to get inside one, we have to subtract the width. So breadth equal to 5 minus 3, which gives 2 centimeter. So area equal to L into B. Substitute the value 5 into 2, which gives 10 centimeters square. Now what is the next step? Yes, we got area of both the rectangle. Now we have to find area of margin. So area of margin equal to 40 minus 10 centimeter square, which gives 30 centimeter square, which is the area of margin. Now we move to question number 4. A veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find area of veranda. The cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. So the picture representation is given here. Let ABCD represents the rectangular room and the shaded region represent the veranda of 2.25 meter wide. So we get another rectangle PQRS outside. Here in the question we can find area of the veranda. To get area of veranda, that is area of the shaded region, we have to subtract area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. ABCD is the room. We don't know the length and breadth of outside rectangle. So if it is given outside, you can add 2.25 plus 2.25, which gives 4.5 meter length and 4.5 meter breadth you can add, so that you will get a length and breadth of outside rectangle PQRS. So for a rectangular room ABCD, length equal to 5.5 meter, breadth equal to 4 meter. Next what we have to find? Yes, area. What is the formula of area of rectangle? L into B. Then substitute the value and find out the answer. So we get 5.5 into 4 gives 22 meters square. Next what we have to find? We have to find area of rectangle PQRS. And then we have to find area of veranda. How to find area of veranda? Yes, area of bigger rectangle minus area of smaller rectangle. So here we know area of rectangle ABCD. Then what we have to find next? Yes, next we have to find area of rectangle PQRS. How to find area of rectangle PQRS? Yes, for that we have to find the length and breadth of rectangle PQRS. How to find? Yes, rectangle PQRS is the outer rectangle. So the width of veranda you have to add. Then we will get length and breadth of rectangle PQRS. So for rectangle PQRS, width of veranda is given 2.25 meter. Therefore, length equal to 5.5 plus 2.25 plus 2.25, which gives 5.5 plus 4.5 meter, that is 10 meter. Similarly, breadth equal to 4 plus 4.5 meter, which gives 8.5 meter. Now what we have to find? Yes, we have to find area of rectangle PQRS. What is the formula? L into B. Substitute the value 10 into 8.5, which gives 85 meters square. Now what we have to find? Yes, we have to find area of veranda. How to get? Area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Substitute the value 85 minus 22 meters square. While subtracting, we get the answer as 63 meters square. So first part of the question is over. Now the next part, we have to find the cost of cementing the veranda. Given that cost of cementing 1 meters veranda is rupees 200. We have total 63 meter square veranda. So the cost of cementing 63 meter square veranda is 63 multiplied by rupees 200, which gives rupees 12,600. Copy down all this in your CW. Thank you and have a nice day.